Andyan ka pala! And syempre, andito na naman ako. And today, we're doing an unboxing. At the same time, I received multiple plant mails in this past couple of days. I did record a video, but then this guy came in today, so I'm basically just gonna not upload that one and do this one instead. But at the same time, I'm still gonna show you guys the plants that got in the mail this week. And also this box from Root and Stem Tropicals, I'm gonna show them to you guys too what I got. This is not a plant, but it is plant related, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna open this one first because I've been waiting for this, and this is from Minh Nguyen. I'm gonna type his name here, and he sells plants through Facebook group. As far as I know, he's been doing that, and also I think he does have every now and then he's been doing an auction on eBay. So I'm gonna link his links on the description so you can check out his Hoyas or plants for sale. He is from Florida, and as you all know, Florida has one of the nice weather for all these beautiful tropical plants because they do have that humidity and warmth that these plants needs. So the story behind this package, so I ordered a plant from him maybe, when was it? In April. It's already May, but unfortunately it's been 11 days and I still haven't received the plant. And then I contacted USPS, and apparently it never left Florida, so it was scanned. He dropped it off at the post office, was scanned there, and it just stayed there. And they were Hoyas. So out of his, is my address showing? But out of his awesome, great, beautiful heart, he sent me this. And he didn't charge me for this. This is just from his own pocket. So as you can see, it's like packed well in paper. I'm excited for this one because this has been on my list, list of Hoyas to acquire. Oh, some Florida stuff there. What? Wait, I thought he's just gonna send me one plant. There's two. I don't know which one is this one. Here we go again. I don't know the name of this plant, but he was just supposed to send me one plant, and as you can see, there's two here. Which Hoya are you? I'm gonna have to message him. He's so nice. Doesn't have a name. Yay. But check this out. So pretty. Thank you, Minh. And this guy, you have to see the next one because this is the one that I've been waiting. But thank you for this guy too. You ready? This one's big. OMG. OMG. Can you already tell what Hoya this one is? Let me put this down. Oh. This is the Hoya Imperialis, and this is the red one because I did buy the pink bloom one, but it got lost in the mail, and that was his only pink one. But he's so nice to send me a red one without costing me anything. So thank you very much, Minh. I'm gonna insert the blooms of Hoya Imperialis, and you'll understand why I've been wanting to get this one and why I am so thankful and grateful for this man for sending me another plant without charging me again, because obviously I can just claim from USPS that and PayPal as well, but he But the plant is the important thing. The Hoya. Thank you, Min. And for this guy too. Is this the same one as the one that I bought for this? But so thank you. I'm gonna insert the name for this guy, and also I'm gonna look up the blooms, and if I find it, I'm gonna insert it. Thank you, Minh Nguyen. Follow him on his purchase and on his sale on Hoya Lovers Facebook group, obviously on Facebook. So I'm gonna put this down because we have another box to open. And this is not a plant, just like what I said, but it is plant related, and it is from Jenna of Root and Stem Tropicals. Okay, read this because it's the growing season, and as you might have all noticed if you're following me on Instagram, I've been posting stories of the new growth of my Hoyas, and they're getting like everywhere, like my hair. And they say no. Thank you so much for supporting our small business. We hope you enjoy your plant trellis, Jenna. Thank you, Jenna. And I'm excited to be one of the first people to be able to snag this product from your Etsy store. Again, I'm gonna link their store, and it's a trellis. Her husband made this. This is handmade. I ordered two. I actually think I'm gonna need more than this because yeah. So I'm excited. So these are copper. Very beautiful. And I'm gonna insert a picture of after when I use it on my plants. Thank you, Jenna. Okay. And then, so going back to the other plants that I did unbox, that I recorded, but I've decided I just have to include this gorgeous guy here, and it's a little buddy. Thank you, Min, again for doing that. I truly appreciate it. So I'm gonna try my best to recall how it went. So I got 3 boxes. Yeah, 3 boxes. So technically 5 boxes for this week, and those 2 are already those. So the other 3 boxes, I got this Hoya Max Superba. So as you can see, it's big. I already transitioned it in passive hydro because that is again my preferred method of growing my Hoyas. And I also made my own trellis because it is so long. And this has a gorgeous dark and thick, long, elongated leaves, and it is rigid. So I'm not sure. So I looked this plant up on the internet. So Hoya Max Superba is apparently showing us the same as Hoya Macgravillii. I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna type it. But yeah, I do have the same. I do have Hoya Macgravillii as well. I got it as a cutting, and it's rooted. Now it's in Leca as well. So that one has bigger leaves than this one. I'm just gonna insert a picture here. And then this one. But then again, it might be from. I'm back to this dilemma. So I basically have the 6 plants now that, yeah, I am kind of have identity crisis with. But yes, this is Hoya Max Superba. With this, it came from San Francisco area. I think that's where it came from. So Northern California. It came with this Hoya Surigao-ensis. So from its name Surigao, it's a province in the Philippines. So I'm so happy to get a hold of this one, and this one's huge. Yeah, so Hoya Surigao-ensis. I think people buy this because of these humongous veiny leaves. And I'm gonna insert a picture of its flower here as always. And I am so proud to be a Filipino just like this guy here. So these 2 came together, and another box that got here. So the following plants, they all came at the same day. So the following plant is this Hoya Archboldiana. It actually came as in a 1 pot. I'm gonna insert a picture here. But as I was cleaning off the, it looks like it's almost like orchid bark mix. That's what it was grown in. So obviously I took it off. Here's a picture of its roots. Like, it's very compact and beautiful and healthy white roots. There were 9 cuttings, 9 rooted cuttings in that one pot. So I just took this one out because this one has the biggest root system out of all the cuttings that was in the pot. So it is by itself, and the rest, they do have roots, but they can fit in one, so I just put them here. So I got 2 pots of Hoya Archboldiana, and here are the flowers. Beautiful, right? And and remember when I mentioned on one of my previous video that I'm getting into Hoyas that has these big blooms, like almost like bigger than my hand kind of blooms, or those squid looking like flowers, like he has tentacles. So that's Hoya Archboldiana. So together with the Imperialis, they're both big. And then with that, I got this. And also remember that video, the juicy plant tuber tag, like that mentioned, like, or that asked a question about the expensive plant whatever. So this is the one that I was waiting for. This is Hoya Ruthiae UT 168, the one that I got because of its blooms. It reminded me of the blooms of undulata. I'm gonna insert it again, so it's gonna be like tentacles. So I'm actually already dreaming and praying and hoping that one day this one will bloom, and then my undulata will bloom, and they'll be like, hey, aren't you my long lost cousin? Because we both look like tentacles. So yeah, I'm excited to see that one day. Hoya Ruthiae UT 168, that number. And then with this Hoya Mirabilis came. I do have some yellowing on 2 leaves, but that's okay. The rest are firm and strong. And I also checked out the root system, healthy root system, and hopefully it'll adjust to the passive hydro way of life. Hoya Mirabilis, and insert picture here. Beautiful. But I got this because of its long, dark green leaves. It's like beautiful. And then, so with that, I also got this guy. This is the Hoya Verticulata EPC 1049. I got this because of its leaves. It almost reminds me of Hoya elliptica, but this one, it's like its abs are not for show. It's just that I work out, but because I have to develop my abs, it's for a purpose. It's not for a show like an elliptica, like it's like even and nicely put together. Yeah, but this is Hoya EPC, Hoya Verticulata EPC 1049. Again, these are its leaves. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a picture of its blooms here, but this guy, I bought it for its leaves. So those are the main plants that I got these past few days. And of course, with that, I got some free cuttings. So Mining Vandas, I'm not sure if that's the real name, but I'm gonna insert their name here. Together with the Hoya Archboldiana, he sent a cutting of this Hoya Pubicalix Red Dragon. So I'm currently rooting it here in water. It's very long, so I had to kind of improvise. And I always appreciate free cuttings. Martha Underwood, whom I got the 3 other Hoyas, gave me free cuttings as well. And she gave me this Hoya Neo Ebudica. I don't have this Hoya yet, and it hasn't rooted yet, but hopefully it will soon. So Hoya Neo Ebudica, help me. And this little guy here is Hoya Cipitagensis. I already have this one from Hoya Haul, but hey, any extra cuttings is welcome. Like, who does like free Hoya cuttings? I do. I hope you do too. So here are my Hoya haul for this week. I'm gonna show you guys at the end the trellis thingy. One of the Hoyas that got the trellis from Roots and Stem Tropicals, or Jenna, is this queen, my Hoya Macrophylla Snow Queen. I think it looks great with it, and I've been looking to get a support for it because it's been growing tall. And the other one that got it, because I ordered 2 as you saw in the unboxing part is my Hoya Maniparensis. And for all of you guys who know how Hoya Maniparensis are, they will grow tall, but they cannot support themselves, so they do really need trellises. And I think it looks grand and beautiful. Thank you, Jenna, and of course Jenna's husband for making it. And yes, those are the two that got the trellises. Here are the Hoya plants that I got this week. Again, thank you very much. Minh Nguyen, I truly appreciate it that I finally got a hold of a Hoya Imperialis. So I'm only missing two, at least the ones that I want to have on those Hoyas that produce big blooms. So almost there. I'm gonna complete that collection soon, because you know me, I'm gonna complete my Hoyas. And for this guy too, thank you. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, Julians_plant_corner, our handle's always here at the top. And I hope to see you next time. May you always be blessed.